Remove mildew-molded caulk from your bathtub. Do you find it annoying to see the caulk in your bathroom molded in mildew? Not to mention, mildew-molded caulk is something that will ruin the overall appearance of your bathroom. Most of the time, even if you have already did your best on cleaning your tub, this makes everything dirtier than what you can imagine. If you do not want to see your caulk in such a dirty state again, there are some ways you can go for in order to remove mildew-molded caulk from your bathtub. There is no more reason for you to be afraid of additional costs that it will take you when the worst comes to worst as far as the rotting of the floorboards is concerned. By means of knowing how to remove mildew-molded caulk from your bathtub, you can definitely take pleasure in using your bathtub without feeling disgusted. Begin by scraping the old caulk. You can do this with the use of a putty knife. Be careful when you scrape the old caulk beginning on the bottom part of the bathtub. Concentrate on a side before moving to another. Scrape by means of pushing the edge of the putty knife on the surface of the caulk. Short yet rough scraping motion is recommended. But then again, do not stop from there because it is best to go back after a while in order to clear the area. Scrape the old caulk off with the use of your putty knife. There may be times when you will miss some mold. Once you have given your best on scraping off as much as you can, dampen a cloth with water and use it to clean every area you have scraped. After that, dampen the cloth with rubbing alcohol and use it to have a thorough approach on cleaning every area. The next step is to let the surface dry. Until the next day, the bathtub must not be used by anyone. This must be considered in order to let the surface go through enough time for drying. With the use of your caulk gun, utilize a new caulk tube by slitting the smallest line initially. Starting with one corner, you should run the caulk strip right until you reach its end. Your finger should be wet before you use it on pressing the new caulk from one part of the tub to the opposite part. Do the same thing for the other portions of the tub. You will notice that it will be even alongside both facades and there is a bulge in the core part. Let the surface dry again and forbid anyone from bathing on the tub. Drying can be hastened by the use of a fan and by opening the exhaust fan. Check every part of your bathtub before using it. A clean bathtub is truly something that you can enjoy. As long as the bathtub is always dirt-free, you can be rest assured that you are making the most out of every moment you are in it.